While we're in between heats here with our trowel that we're trying to make, I'll just take this opportunity to show a bit about the forge press kit that we are making. So if you're not aware, it's based, well, the most of it comes from a Black Diamond 40-ton log splitter. We've made a kit to make it upright, put an electric motor on it, and basically sort out the forging side of things. This is working really well. We've made up a bunch of quick change dies. This is likely what will be going out with the kits. Things will change from time to time, but at the moment it'll be 5 of these plates. They just fit in so they just slide in with a simple lock. So there'll be that's a pair of rounding dies. So I'll send these out with some SUP 9, which that's what this is, 90 by 26, and enough of it to make 2 rounding dies. So you basically just cut off about 100mm and slice it down the middle, weld each end to your plate, and there are your rounding dies. And similar, that is a flat die. That's the same material but just cut down the other way, welded onto your plate. And one that has been quite handy so far, although it's not really lasting too well. I don't know no idea what steel they used, but it's nothing. That's only a few cuts later and it's already doing that. But anyway, that's from the wedge. That's a part of the wedge that comes with that we cut off the log splitter. So I've been using that for a hot cut, and we'll try and use it for a press brake as well. So that in between a few bits of angle. Yeah. But so 5 plates lets you make 5 dies, and they interchange quite well. I'm using the 2 rounding dies at the moment to spread my steel out, but I've been actually drawing out with a round and a flat. So yeah, different things for different use. So far it's proving pretty universal. Yeah, there'll be 1,000 different things you can make. Let your imagination go wild. Just make it strong, whatever you do. Yeah, so this is the kit. It's got a frame that I can fit a pallet jack under it. It makes it easy to move around and easy. It's 800mm wide, 700mm long. Probably with all the hoses and stuff, you want to allow at least sort of 900mm sort of footprint. We're using part of the shelf that comes with the log splitter as a guard on the side. Probably shouldn't, but I've been using it to keep all the dies and a bit of scrap steel and a pair of tongs. Use it as a shelf, but it's mainly there to protect all the hosing that's underneath here. The other thing it does is it gives you a bit of protection for your hand. This is the control valve. This is the lever you'll be using. I tend to use it off to this side here. I stand like this with these tongs, whatever, and I use my left hand to hold the material and my right hand to operate that. On the other side, we've got the variable speed control down here. I was a bit stuck of places to put that, but it seems to be working quite well. It's the sort of thing you just turn it on and leave it on. I've set the speed at about 3/4 of its maximum. It's fast enough. You can set it faster, or even the single speed ones, they'll just go flat out all the time. That's just how it is. The rest of the hosing's all at the back. It's all out of the way. That shouldn't give you any dramas. And yeah, it's been a good little video. You notice that there's quite a bit of slope in some of the close-up shots. That I've got to get a few shims to basically change the setup that holds it there. So that's something that'll be sorted before even the first kit goes out. Yeah, this just gives you a bit of a demo on how it looks, how it works, how it how functional it is. Keep in mind that I'm useless at using this thing. I don't forge nearly as much as I should, and I'm very much learning how to use it myself. So I'll probably be better at it in a week's time than I am. Well, I hope I'm better at it in a week's time. Yeah, at the moment it's just moving a lot of steel really easily, and it's working great. I'm struggling for ideas on how to improve it so far. I better turn my heat gun back on and keep making this trowel.